In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Google Workspace. Changing your email address might seem like a complex task at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process to make things as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, let's navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. The initial step is critical because this is where the magic begins. Remember, Google Workspace is a powerful tool for businesses, so knowing how to navigate its platform can open up numerous capabilities for your organization. Once you're at the Google Workspace homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is to select your Google account. This step is crucial because it ensures that all subsequent changes you're about to make are applied to the correct account. It's easy to overlook, but double checking now can save you a headache later on. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security first, of course. This step verifies your identity and ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the account. Take your time to enter your password correctly. If you run into any problems, remember there's always a password recovery option. Following the password verification, you'll simply click on Next. This action will confirm your entries and take you deeper into the settings where you can make the needed adjustments. Now, look for the square dots icon located on the top right corner of your screen. This icon is essentially your gateway to Google's myriad of apps and services. It's handy, so getting familiar with it can enhance your overall Google Workspace experience. Upon clicking the square dots icon, your next move is to choose the Admin Console. This part is where the administrative magic happens. Google's Admin Console allows you to manage settings, users, and preferences across all of Google's services. It's a powerful hub, so feel free to explore it later to see what other adjustments you might want to make. Next, you'll find yourself clicking on Domains. This step is where you start to get into the nitty-gritty of changing your email address. Domains are a critical part of your online identity, and Google Workspace handles domain management with a robust set of tools. And here comes the main event, clicking on Change Your Primary Domain. This option is exactly what it sounds like. It's your opportunity to choose a new primary domain for your Google Workspace account. This step is the heart of our tutorial today, so take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct new domain for your email address. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now successfully changed your email address on Google Workspace. Remember, changes like these can have significant implications for your business or organization, so always proceed with care and consideration. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope it has been clear, helpful, and has made the process of changing your Google Workspace email address as easy as possible. Keep exploring what Google Workspace has to offer, and don't hesitate to reach out for help or clarification on any of the steps we've gone through today.